Hello everybody, it's Chelsea here with the Women's Fishing Network, brought to you by Goes to 11 Media. So I've been pretty busy fishing lately. Hopefully you've checked out all our other videos here on our YouTube channel, but the other day my son, who is an avid YouTube channel watcher, was like, "Mom, why don't you ever make any YouTube videos of you opening packages you get in the mail? Because that's what all the YouTubers do." So I got a package in the mail, and here I am. I'm gonna open it up because apparently YouTubers like to check out what we get in the mail. So, as crazy as it is, one of my favorite things ever is to get things in the mail. It's always so exciting. It's such a rare thing now to get things in the mail. So I got this right in my mailbox sent today. Let's see what Chelsea got. Ooh. This is really exciting. This is a package from iWaiter. So you guys have probably seen me bragging like crazy about my waders. Well, here is the cherry on top. My beautiful wader boots. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Wow. Check these out. These look phenomenal. Oh my gosh. I just want to go fishing right now. They're so light too. They come with a mesh bag like this, just like my waders. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I love them. Check them out. Check these beautiful wading boots out. And the bottom. I ain't gonna slip on no rocks with these. So you know what this means, guys? I am going to have to take out these amazing wading boots with my waders this weekend. Look at them. Oh my gosh. All right. Thanks, guys. You know what? I think Jace was definitely onto something when he said it makes really good YouTube videos of opening mail you get, because that was really exciting. So the next package I get, I'll do the same thing, but I honestly am going to go take these awesome wading boots out this weekend with my iWaiters. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how amazing these are in the water. I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. Thank you to all of our sponsors. I'm so grateful. Thank you to Rick at Goes to 11 Media. And be sure to check out our shopping store, fishingandoutdoors.ca or fishingandoutdoors.net. if you're outside of Canada, and then also our website, womensfishingnetwork.com. So yeah, check you guys out next time.